Hey everyone, it's Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to install apps from unknown locations on your Android phone, and this is easy to do. We can just swipe down from the top right and go to settings, and then we can just go to search settings and type in unknown. So if you type this in correctly instead of what I just typed in, it should pop open. So right here it says install unknown apps special access. So we can just choose this, go to install unknown apps. Now if you're downloading it from Google Chrome, make sure Google Chrome says allowed. So just select allow for whatever medium you're using. So I got Google Chrome on there. If you're trying to do this through Gmail, do it. Otherwise you can just select allow all on all available apps. And then you won't have an issue with this. So I'm not sure what this is, captive portal login. So you can just go to right here, and it says you can get to this by going to apps, special access apps. So if I go back to the home screen, here's apps. Then there should be an option somewhere, special access, and this is how you get there, and then install unknown apps. So once you do this, you can go back over to Google Chrome or wherever you're trying to download it, and then you should be able to go to that link. So maybe like Epic Games. If I go to Epic Games, try to download and install this. So you might get like a pop-up on the screen when you're trying to do this the first time, but if you're not quick enough, you won't see it. It'll just go away. So we can go to install on Android. Now it should install this file for me, and I already have it installed. Now you can go to the top right, scroll on down, and there should be an option for your downloads folder somewhere in here. Now you can't see it on here. That's fine. Just go to home. Go to files, so let's type in files. Here's files, and let's back up. So go to your downloads, and here's all my downloads. So we can install it now through here. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.